Hi there, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how I painted the exhaust nozzle, the 1/48 scale Growler from Meng. There aren't a lot of areas that needed masking, but those few areas includes the exhaust nozzle. So again, I will paint the nozzles with a combination of metallic colors. Reference photos suggest that the Growler's nozzles comprise of at least 2 shades of metallics. I use a 3-stage approach to get the effects that I wanted. The first is a black gloss primer, the second is a dark iron colored metallic, and the third phase is a burnt colored metallic. Between these stages, I had to properly mask the areas. I used Tamiya masking tape for curves, combined with a regular masking tape. You will notice in the video that I had to repeat the masking several times. If correctly done, you will get a smooth finish with nice clear lines. And you can see the 2 different shades of metallics clearly. That's all for now. Thanks for watching and see you soon.